Another way that we had mentioned is if it's a prop aircraft, is having the pilot turn those props on. They may not come off the aircraft whenever that happens. Any type of hot brace issues, anything, personnel may not.
Hours working around these. Anybody got aviation experience working around them? You guys haven't done any? Yeah, you guys do? Okay, so you guys are not familiar with them. Okay, perfect. No, that makes it good. Okay, so 4-engine turboprop airplanes. Some of them you'll see with 4, some of them. Same thing as a flight mechanic and a navigator. There could be an instance where somebody's sitting in here as an observer, instructor nav, instructor pilot. You know, typically there could be some other folks that are sitting up here during the flight, and it could be requiring some. The engines, condition levers, what controls the fuel flow to the engines and to the condition of the propellers. So the first thing you want to do is make sure it's in ground idle. So chances are it's probably going to be somewhere around.
Today we're out here at the CRTC in Gulfport, Mississippi. We're doing some practical live burn training on an aircraft live burn trainer that we have here in Gulfport, Mississippi at the Gulfport Biloxi International Airport. Today we have a ARF class, an airport rescue firefighting certification course that we've been doing for the past few weeks. These students will be out here today to do their practical portions of the fires. What you will see is you're going to see a lot of the students learn how to do the basics of ARF firefighting. We're going to do a few wheel fires, some engine fires, and we'll do interior fires as well. Along with that, we learn how pool fires work and how we have to move pool fires in order to save a fuselage and save passengers that are inside our aircraft. A lot of your crashes that happen outside of an airport are going to happen off-site, off the airport grounds. In doing so, it's going to be out in the municipalities, it's going to be out in the counties. They'll be where the structural firefighters will be at. So them having this training is going to help these departments be able to respond to these incidences with a lot more training or a lot more proficiency when they get out there so that they can mitigate and save lives. The groups that we have participating in our class are going to be Harrison County, CRTC, Gulfport, Mississippi. We have Biloxi Fire Department, we have New Orleans Fire Department, as well as Diamond Head Fire Department.
We're conducting a regional airport firefighter class in conjunction with CRTC Fire Department, the Stennis International Airport, Harrison County Fire Service. We have 6 agencies represented doing this airport firefighter class. This will result in the actual national certifications.
Good fighting now.
What is our primary, if we're having one truck operation, what's the only thing that truck's required to, or needs to do? Rescue path, right? Which for most aircraft, corporate, military, and 139 aircraft, it's about right here. It's in the alpha. Alpha is our primary concern, correct?
Got it.